guys, it's Royer from MarvelCo12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Meemaw stainless steel watch band for the Google Pixel Watch. The Meemaw stainless steel watch band is a great addition to the Google Pixel Watch. Unfortunately, when the Pixel Watch came out, Google didn't have a lot of options from third parties. They had their own watch band, but even those were limited due to supply issues, and they were very expensive. The Meemaw watch band comes in 4 different colors. It comes in this black color here. There's a stainless steel or a silver option, as well as rose gold and gold. They all go for about $20, and we'll have links in the video description down below. So as you can see here, the band is compatible with the watch as well as various cases. I have on here the Ringkey Slim case for the Google Pixel Watch, and it goes on and off without any issues around that watch band. And as you can see here, the band does come off very easily. Just pops right in and out. No issues using that. It comes with all the pieces that you need in order to be able to adjust the width of the watch so it can fit wider or smaller wrist. My wrist is a little bit smaller than the watch, the size that it came with, but I was able to remove several pieces there, and those links did come out very easily, and I didn't have any problems putting them in. And once I pulled them out, I found out I needed to readjust it, and I actually had to put another piece back in. So one thing I will point out here real quick is the instructions do say that when you're pushing the pins back in, you should be able to use this piece right here to push them in. I had no luck doing that. It wasn't strong enough to be able to do that. One thing I would recommend is this little rubber mallet here. This is something I have because I used to collect watches, and so I have a watch repair kit up in my closet, and you use this just to go ahead and tap those pins back in. Worked a million times better. I'll see if I can find a link for this in the video description down below as well. Personally, I think the band is a great addition to the watch. It looks sharp, it looks stylish. I've had it on here for about 2 weeks now. It hasn't had any scuffs on it. It looks great, it looks clean. Sometimes watches like this, I do find that they have a tendency to collect dust and things in there. This one hasn't had that problem. One other thing I've noticed with watches like this is they do tend to catch on my arm hair. I haven't had that problem with these at all, so it's fit very comfortably and it hasn't caused any pain. And with these additional links that I removed, this watch can fit just about any size wrist. I think the official size is 5.5 to 8.5 inches. But I do think it is a great addition to the Pixel Watch, and I would highly recommend it. As I said earlier, we'll have links in the video description down below where you can order this. I'll also have a link in there for the case as well as the mallet. If you guys have any questions about the Meemaw band, about the Pixel Watch, or about any of the things you've seen here in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.